Make it clean. You can clean, I can speak. So here's my day-to-day suffer.
Cried the whole time.
What time is it? 4-ish? I think we started like 11. So that makes 5 hours?
It's 5.
5 horrible hours.
6.
6 o'clock.
No, 6 hours.
6 hours? Is it 5 now?
Yeah.
I thought it was like 4.
5.
5? Wow. 6 hours of pain. It's pretty disgusting. So in this video I thought I'm gonna pass camera to Lucy and then she can explain what she's been doing. If you take the glove off. And then you can point towards that and that, and then you can explain what you did and what you lied.
Where to start?
Yeah.
I don't actually know what to say.
Line work.
Line work. Yeah.
You can explain line work. Line work, stencil. How is the stencil? How is the line work?
So, stencil was pretty sound. I actually managed to get it on in one. I'd made the stencil like... You can see all the extra bits of stencil on the chest. So I made like a full chrysanthemum and then just sort of cut out where needed. I'm trying to get this in frame. There we go. And then, so for line work, I just used the Quadrin Enriched Black Lining Ink with a 9 power liner for those thicker lines, and then a little 3 liner for the skinny ones, which Zig really enjoyed. And then, so with all the shading and the black and that, I just used a 13 mag and 11 shader for the whole thing. But yeah, pretty mint. A little bit bleedy at the top, but that's okay. What was the worst part?
You didn't explain the colour.
I didn't explain the colour. Well, which one's that? I think I used Dubai Gold for the yellows. So I did like a orange into yellow, and then in the future we're going to add a little bit green.
Yeah.
Maybe. He's smiling. No, that's a day.
Yeah.
Maybe just leave him in line work.
So we're going to forget a bit about the pain.
Yeah.
I feel brave
Give it a year.
Brave enough to get, yeah.
But yeah, so it's Dubai Gold and then some sort of orange, which I'm not 100% sure. Where is it? Moroccan.
Yeah, Moroccan. Something like that.
Yeah, went in pretty mint. I don't know what to say. It feels so weird. Been using my Akis M2 4.5 stroke.
Plus some water.
And...
Oh, green stuff doesn't count.
Yeah. Use both batteries, if that counts. Gosh, filming your nipple then. But yeah,
cool.
Pretty tough too. Not tough at all.
So, pain-wise, it was fucking horrible. It was probably like 10, not 10, but like 8 above. It was from 8 to 10, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. It was like semi-fucking horrible to bad, to like, oh my god, bad. And back and forwards. There was maybe one line when I was like, yeah, this one's sound. And then instantly, the next line is like, shit, it's a breed. Yeah. It's kind of cool that Lucy came. We gave some knowledge in information, and then I received back the same information that I was telling you to do. So it's kind of like a feedback back to me. Experiencing the same with the Sean. Like he comes, he couldn't do any tattoos, then I teach him, then he does all the teachings of me. I'm my pastor in a sense. Yeah, there's not much really else to say. Wine's pretty sound, black's good. So when we were debating in the morning what to do, I was making suggestions to black out the middles to like enhance the color. So if you got any other color than black, it would not give as much punch and it would make the color as much color or the brightness so bright. You need to have the black to stand out. Also the orange, when you look in a bottle, it seems pretty dark and evil, but then when it gets shaded out and blended in with yellow, it kind of
It tones down.
It becomes necessary to have that dark, and then the darkness doesn't look that dark anymore, because the yellow kind of overpowers, and then the skin gaps you left also makes it look lighter. So as much as it's hard, it's quite chill. And what else? How many hours you drew this?
6 hours.
So
It took 6 hours to draw. I did redraw it about 7 times up until 2 a.m. last night, but I'd say pretty worth it. I'm quite a slow drawer, and I just redraw stuff because I don't end up liking it, but worth it.
yeah, well,
Oh.
now when you learn how to draw these things, you'll have to redraw less.
Yeah, like I've not drawn many chrysanthemums at all, so for it to actually, you look at it and you know what it is. So,
How was your experience at mate?
horribly, sat awfully, it's moving everywhere. I think it was pretty down, so more this area. That was fucking starting off the line right there. Horrible. I mean, it's clean, but I pulled one line. I was like, oh fuck, it's gonna be a long day. But the more you moved up, like even in the armpit, like it wasn't bad, like in a sense. Like it was maybe not for me, maybe for you, but like I think overall, like it was pretty chill. Colours went in nice. Hopefully they stay nice. Yeah.
That's about it, no?